Okay, so for the first step I'm going to make myself bald. I'm using Cryolan's bald cap, my favourite. This is where my big forehead comes out to play. You know what? I'm going to stuff it. I'm kind of improvising this look, by the way, and so far it's going swimmingly. I've got some cotton wool. What's everyone else doing on a Thursday morning? Okay, so I've just had an idea. Because the cotton wool is kind of making it all bumpy. This is going to be the alien's brain. Okay, right, to blend the edges of this bald cap, I'm using some acetone. Okay, I think I'm actually going to apply these black contact lenses now so I get more of a feel for the makeup. Okay, right, I've got a forehead prosthetic that I made. I made this the day before, so I'll show you a quick video on how I made it. First I need to protect my eyebrows, so I'm just going to put some scar wax on the top of them. I've got an old prosthetic that I found, so I'm really liking the texture of it, so I'm thinking about layering it on somehow. This was simply the remainder of the latex and flour that I used to make this. So why not put it on my head? I think I'm also going to use some tissue because why not? Finished just layering on tissue, different pieces of prosthetics. This is from the ball cap that I applied earlier. I'm thinking, I don't know. Got some more prosthetic, like that. I don't know. I also made this third eye. I've got a bunch of these half marble stone thingies and I simply just painted it black, but I kind of want to incorporate it into the look somehow. Okay, I'm going to use some white airbrush now to even out the colour a little bit. Okay, now I'm making a light pink. I've got some white in there. add some more depth to the cracks and the holes. Okay, I've added some more red to my airbrush gun, so I've got a darker tone to layer on top of the makeup now. I really want to add some stenciling to add more texture to this look, so I've got these swirls. My favourite technique, which is spatter. So I'm going to use some of the black. Okay, to finish this look off, I'm just going to put some white dots wherever I want. Behind the scenes, in what people don't see,